Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new invoice on the Invoice Maker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on this plus icon, this blue button in the middle of the screen, and click on create new invoice. That's the first option. After that, you should select the date. You can select it by tapping on today's date. You can set the terms, you can set the due date, and the recurring. It can be turned off, turned to weekly, every 2 weeks, or monthly. After that, you should tap on save and add the client. So type in the client's name, then their email address, address line, and tap on save. Then you can add the product. You can either add its code or scan it in. Then enter a product description. After that, you should add the item amount, so the quantity should be selected, the rate, the amount. Click on done at the top. Here you can see payment details, and you can set whether you would like to accept card payments or not. If you do so, tap on the button and you will be able to link your account to it. You can also add a comment and add attachments. As you can see down below here, you can add attachments by capturing from camera, from your gallery, Dropbox, iCloud, and files. If you are done, click on the send button and you can save it, print it out, or forward it via email. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.